Students, now we will solve practice at 15.4 first question. I have explained you all Heron's formula. If we have not been given the height of the triangle, still we can find area of the triangle if the length of the three sides have been given. So here length of the three sides have been given as 45, 39 and 42. So what we can do, we can take this as A, this as B and this as C. Length of the three sides, and we can apply the formula and we can solve. So given practice at 15.4 first question, A is equal to 45. B is equal to, what is ABC? They are the lengths of the sides of the triangle. We are going to apply the formula. So like this we can write. B is 39 and C is 42. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to first find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Semi-perimeter, symbolically small s is we have to write. Okay. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equal to 45 plus 39 plus 42 upon 2, which is equal to, now you add all this, you will get 126 upon 2, which is equal to 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So semi-perimeter we have got it as 63. Now we have to find area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. So what is the formula of area of the triangle? Area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c, which is equal to square root of, now what is the value of s? 63. We will substitute 63. Then s is 63 minus, what is a? 45 into, what is s? 63 minus, what is b? 39. Then extend it little more, s minus c. S minus c is 63 minus 42, which is equal to square root of. Now we have to do the subtraction. Then we will get 63 here. Write it as it is. Then into 63 minus 45. 63 minus 45 will give you 18 into 63 minus 39. That will give you 24 into 63 minus 42 will give you 21. Now what you have to do? You have to find the prime factors of all these numbers. You know how to find the prime factors? Which is equal to square root of, now 63 prime factor, how to find? See like this. I'll just show it to you this side. 63. 66 plus 3, 9. So, test for divisibility by 3 says if sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 comes in 3's table. So, you can divide by 3. 3 2's are 6, 3 1's are 3. Then this is easy. 3 7's are 21. 7 1's are 7. So, 63 we can write it as 3 into 3 into 7 into. Now, 18. How to write 18? 18 is very simple. How we will do for 18? See here. 18. 2 9's are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So like this you can do the write the product, write 18 as product of its prime factors. So 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Into, now 24 we have to find. For 24 what we will do again? 24, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 24 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 21 is very easy. Product of prime factors of 21 will be 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Now what we have to do? See, 3, this is square root. So what we will do? We will form a group. 3 into 3. Now see how we will write. This 3 into 3. After that, here there is 7 into this 7. Now where is another 7? Last I have got 7 into 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 I have completed. Now I am going for 2. Here I have got 2. After that, where is 2? 2, 2, 2 is here. Into 2 I got. This 2 I got. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, for this I have taken this 2. 5 and then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what is I have to do? Till here I have completed 3 into 3. 3 into 3. I already got. This product of two same numbers. 3 into 3 I have got. This and this I have already taken. Right? Now what is left? This also I took. This also I took. This and the last one. So now what is left here? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into, now this 3 into 3. So now I can remove one number. Now this 3 into 3 will be 3 into 7 into 7, 1 7 you have to remove. Then 2 into 2, 1 2 you have to take out. 3 into 3, 3. Then here 2 into 2 you will take 1 2 out of the square root sign. 3 into 3, 1 3 you will take out. So why do we do this? Because here square root is given. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2. So we are writing this. See, 3 into 3 is 9. So square root of 9 will be 3. So we should form a group in such a way that we get square root of that particular number. So like this, 7 into 7 is 49. So 49 square root will be 7. 2 into 2, 4. So square root of 4, 2. That is the reason we are writing it side by side. Product of same numbers. 3 into 3, 4, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, like this. So now this all you multiply. So what you will get? See here, 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Then 21 into 2 will give you 42. 42 into 3 will give you 126. 126 into 2 3s are 6. So 126 into 6 will give you 6 6s are 36. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 6 plus 1, 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So you are getting 756. So you have to write here 756 square centimeter. So this way you have to solve the example. When height is not given, how to find area of the triangle.